Well, greetings to the Oklahoma gardening viewers. This is John Haase coming to you from Rodgers County, specifically Claremore, Oklahoma. And we're kind of doing a segment here at Will Rodgers Park. I have been an extension horticulture educator since 2002. Rodgers County is a fairly large county, and we're right in the heart of the Northeast District. There's around 90,000 residents here. We have a four-year university, Rodgers State University, and we also have the Will Rodgers Memorial, which is just north of us from this park, which is the Will Rodgers Park. So if you have a chance to visit, come by this garden and then see the other museums that we have here. They're really cool to see. I'd like to put in a plug for the Rodgers County Fair. It's at the Claremore Expo in mid-September, so come out and see us. Today we're in Joey's garden, which is a memorial garden that was set up in memory of my wife and I's nephew. This was all donated and with family funds, and we've had friends of his and family and master gardeners help put it all together. It just came together really good, and it's one of the highlights of the park here. And we're at the Teaching Gardens, which is a master gardener program, and this is in Will Rodgers Park that is just on the west side of downtown Claremore. A big part of my responsibilities in Rodgers County is the Master Gardener program, and I've carried it on since 2002, and we have with us today Mary Steinley. She is the Garden Development Chair for the MGARC, which is the acronym for Rodgers County Master Gardeners. Welcome, Mary.
Hi, John.
Tell us a little bit about the Master Gardening Program specifically for Rodgers County.
Sure, I'd love to, John. Okay. We are a group of about 60 members strong, and we participate in a variety of projects throughout the county, such as the Rodgers County Home and Garden Show. We also do a garden tour with the SafeNet Domestic Violence Group every summer. We do an Ask a Master Gardener with the retail businesses in town. We also have been developing this teaching garden over the last 3 years, and a significant amount of capital has gone into that to raise funds so that we can expand that garden.
Good. Tell us a little bit about the fundraising we do, as a volunteer organization, because we have to have funds to create something like this garden.
Sure, absolutely. Fundraising is a big part of what we do. We raise funds just to operate the Master Gardener Association, provide speakers and ongoing educational opportunities.
We have like a spring plant sale.
We have a spring plant sale in April, and that's where the Master Gardeners bring their homegrown plants. And it's gotten to be very popular in the community. People look forward to getting Master Gardener plants. And then in the fall, first Saturday in October, we do a fall festival. And this will be on a little grander scale. We'll still include a plant sale again for the fall. But we will have some entertainment and some booths. Well,
thanks, Mary, for covering the Master Gardener Association part of what we do in Rodgers County. It's a pretty neat, large program that we put together with all the Master Gardener help, and there's a lot of neat things going on here in Rodgers County, Master Gardener wise.
Absolutely.
And if you're interested in being a Master Gardener, please contact us. We have a great program going on, and we really welcome you to be a part of our program and all the volunteerism and fellowship that goes with us.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.